It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 31st of October. It is Halloween 2022. I'm Michael Groff. And good morning, everyone. We are here live. The weather, anything but scary today, though. Sunny sky, mild conditions. Temperatures pretty close to, if not just a degree or two shy of seasonal averages. And we'll see a fairly similar performance from our weather again tomorrow. But a change in the weather pattern begins to take place by Wednesday and Thursday. A Pacific storm system comes through, and that will usher in the coolest air we have had so far this season. Temperatures, way below normal. And we'll see some lows down into the low 40s, perhaps, by Friday morning. Yeah, we do have a small chance of rain here, but unfortunately, rain will not be the big story from this upcoming system. So a lot to talk about. Let's get into it first. Take a look at that almanac from yesterday. Another beautiful day. 79 degrees the afternoon high for your Sunday. 55 the morning low. 5 degrees below those respective normals of 84 and 60. And as we take a look outside right now here at about 9 o'clock, we've got sunny sky. We're sitting at 63 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 37, humidity 39%, winds light, barometer is steady. Weather pattern across the nation hasn't changed all that much. There's a weak little wave that's passed on by here, but that's had no consequence in our weather, really. And so as a result, dry northwesterly flow again today, so temperatures will be pretty close to where they were yesterday, if not a couple of degrees warmer. The watch warning map is rather quiet at the moment, although you'll note there is a wind advisory across the Mojave Desert, and that includes parts of Mojave County, and that is for tomorrow. We do expect some strong winds further to the north, some high wind warnings. We've got some winter weather conditions coming in advance of our big Pacific storm. We're watching that. Convective outlook for today. There is a marginal risk of severe storms around Brownsville, Texas. Otherwise, things pretty quiet there. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, probably nothing. If we do see anything at all, it will be only just a few hundredths of an inch, as this storm system will be fairly moisture-starved. The brunt of the dynamics will be just to the north of us, but that doesn't mean we won't see cooler temperatures. We'll talk about that and everything else right now as we get to the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run valid, 2 o'clock this afternoon. That shortwave moving out into Texas. We've got a very small shortwave ridge coming in here, and then that Pacific storm system taking aim on the Pacific Northwest. That'll be our weather maker later this week. So what it means for us down at the surface today: sunny sky, beautiful day, high temperatures, low 80s. Get out there and enjoy it. Mid 80s for the warmest desert spots. Tonight, clear sky in the evening, then partly cloudy overnight with lows mainly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy sky, high temperatures again, low 80s. All right, now here we go to Wednesday. That system is approaching us, and we will see the winds picking up. And in addition to that, clouds will start to roll in as well. We'll call it partly sunny. There might be a shower or two coming into northwest Arizona by late in the day. High temperatures still upper 70s to about 80. Let's go to Thursday. Now here comes our big trough coming on through the west, and it's a slightly shallower solution that we're seeing now coming into better agreement on our models here. We're not going to see a deep tap of subtropical moisture, but still, there will be enough moisture and dynamic support and cold air aloft, certainly, to squeeze out at least a couple of showers here across southern Arizona. Better chances of rain and snow across northern Arizona. We're looking at the snow level being around 5,500 to 6,000 feet, so maybe even over there, you might see a dusting of snow on top of the Four Peaks. Maybe parts of southern Gila County could see that as well, but further to the north across northern Arizona, better bet for any rain or snow showers. It'll be breezy on Thursday, and the big story, much cooler. High temperatures only in the mid-60s. Really a wonderful day, the coolest weather we've had so far, and it will finally really feel like fall, especially Friday morning as that system departs. Drier air comes in. Overnight lows down in the low to mid-40s for us here in Phoenix, and then Friday, the high only in the mid-60s. Saturday morning, we start the day out in the low to mid-40s. High temperatures warm up to around 70. And then Sunday will be in the low to mid-70s with mostly sunny sky continuing. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 6th of November. I'm sorry, the 7th of November, as I get my days confused here, because today is the 31st, Mike. And you've got a weather system passing well to the north of us. The main storm track will stay north of Arizona. We are under a mainly zonal flow here, and then going out 10 days to Wednesday the 9th. Again, a zonal flow, and that looks dry and mild for us. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix coming off of the GFS ensemble, and this goes out through the 14th of November. There are quite a few members that try to hone in on some extremely light precipitation with this system here later this week, but the ensemble mean remains very unimpressive. And so I'd be surprised if we even got 1/10 of an inch out of this system. I'd be surprised if we got much of anything at all here, but there is that slight chance we could see some rain. And then temperatures off the national blended models, warm today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, but seasonably so. And then look at those highs in the mid-60s Thursday and Friday. Overnight lows dropping in the 40s. Pretty close to 40 perhaps for the outlying areas. Maybe even up on top of the McDowell Mountains. Might even see upper 30s. So it will be absolutely fantastic. All right. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only Michelle, and it's her birthday today. So happy birthday to my love, to my Michelle, and it is great. I think having a birthday on Halloween would be awesome. Presents and candy. What could be better than that? Now I'm getting hungry. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe. Stay cool. Stay hydrated out there. I know it's low to mid 80s, but still, we want you to be safe out there and have yourselves an absolutely fantastic and spooky Halloween.